The cost of manufacturing an airplane can vary significantly depending on a number of factors, including the size and complexity of the aircraft, the materials used, and the manufacturer's production processes. Some of the key costs that are typically associated with airplane manufacturing include material costs. The cost of the materials used to build an airplane, such as aluminum, steel, and composite materials, can be a significant portion of the overall manufacturing cost. Labor costs. Building an airplane requires a large number of skilled workers, including engineers, technicians, and assembly workers. The cost of labor can be a significant portion of the overall manufacturing cost, especially for more complex aircraft. Tooling costs. Many specialized tools and equipment are required to build an airplane, including jigs, fixtures, and assembly tools. The cost of these tools can be a significant portion of the overall manufacturing cost. Testing and certification costs. Before an airplane can be approved for commercial use, it must undergo a rigorous testing and certification process. The cost of this process can be a significant portion of the overall manufacturing cost. Overhead costs. There are many other costs associated with airplane manufacturing, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. These overhead costs can also be a significant portion of the overall manufacturing cost. In general, the cost of manufacturing an airplane can range from tens of millions of dollars for a small regional airliner to billions of dollars for a large commercial jet. There are several different types of customers who purchase new airplanes. Commercial airlines. These are companies that operate airplanes for the purpose of transporting passengers and cargo on a regular basis. They typically purchase a large number of airplanes in order to expand their fleet or replace older aircraft. Private individuals. Some wealthy individuals may choose to purchase their own airplane for personal use. This could be for leisure travel or for use in their business. Government agencies. Governments may purchase airplanes for a variety of purposes, such as military use, border patrol, or search and rescue operations. Corporate entities. Companies may purchase airplanes for use in their business operations, such as transporting employees or cargo. Leasing companies. These companies purchase airplanes and then lease them to other organizations, such as commercial airlines or government agencies. Leasing allows these organizations to use an airplane without having to commit to purchasing it outright. Commercial airlines play a significant role in the market for new airplanes. One of the primary reasons that airlines purchase new planes is to replace older, less efficient models. As planes age, they can become less reliable and more expensive to maintain, so it can be cost-effective for an airline to purchase a newer model to take the place of an older one. Additionally, as airlines look to expand their operations and add capacity to their fleet, they may choose to purchase new planes in order to meet the increasing demand for air travel. Another factor that can influence an airline's decision to purchase new planes is the availability of newer technologies and features that can improve the efficiency and comfort of the flying experience. For example, newer planes may have more fuel-efficient engines, lighter materials, and improved cabin designs, which can help to reduce operating costs and improve the passenger experience. Finally, airlines may also be motivated to purchase new planes in order to stay competitive in the market. As other airlines update their fleets with newer planes, an airline that lags behind in terms of fleet modernization may find it difficult to attract passengers and maintain market share. There is a market for private individuals who purchase new airplanes for personal or business use, or as a long-term investment. The market is made up of individuals who have the financial resources and desire to own their own airplane, and who use it for a variety of purposes including personal travel, business travel, and as a hobby. The market for new airplanes is relatively small, as the cost of purchasing and maintaining an airplane can be quite high. However, there are a number of companies that manufacture and sell new airplanes specifically for the private individual market, and there are also many pre-owned airplanes available for purchase. The size and type of airplane that an individual may purchase will depend on their specific needs and preferences, as well as their budget. Government agencies purchase a wide variety of aircraft for various purposes, including transport, surveillance, search and rescue, and many other missions. Some examples of aircraft that might be purchased by government agencies include transport aircraft. These are aircraft that are used to transport people and cargo from one location to another. Examples of transport aircraft purchased by government agencies include cargo planes, passenger planes, and military transport planes. Surveillance aircraft. These are aircraft that are equipped with sensors and other specialized equipment for monitoring and collecting information about a specific area. Examples of surveillance aircraft purchased by government agencies include drones, spy planes, and satellite-based systems. Search and rescue aircraft. These are aircraft that are used to locate and rescue people who are lost or in distress. Examples of search and rescue aircraft purchased by government agencies include helicopters, planes equipped with searchlights and other specialized equipment, and drones. Other types of aircraft. Government agencies may also purchase aircraft for a variety of other purposes, such as firefighting, weather monitoring, and law enforcement. Leasing companies play a significant role in the market for new airplanes by providing financing options for airlines and other aircraft operators. When an airline wants to purchase a new airplane, it can either pay for the aircraft in full, take out a loan to finance the purchase, or lease the airplane from a leasing company. There are two main types of leases: wet leases and dry leases. In a wet lease, the leasing company provides the aircraft, crew, maintenance, and insurance, ACMI, to the lessee. In a dry lease, the leasing company only provides the aircraft to the lessee, who is responsible for all other aspects of the operation. Leasing companies typically purchase new aircraft from manufacturers and then lease them to airlines or other operators. The leasing company owns the aircraft and is responsible for its maintenance and upkeep. The lessee pays the leasing company a fixed amount of money on a regular basis, such as monthly or quarterly, in exchange for the use of the aircraft. Leasing allows airlines and other operators to acquire new aircraft without a large upfront cost, as well as to more easily adjust their fleet size and mix of aircraft to meet changing demand. It also allows manufacturers to sell their aircraft to a wider range of customers who may not have the financial resources to purchase an aircraft outright. Overall, the market for new airplanes is diverse and driven by a range of customers with different needs and uses for the aircraft.